In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center align all section headings in mobile view on Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, all of your section titles, like your featured collection or quick links, will be neatly centered when viewed on a phone. This makes your store look more polished and consistent on smaller screens, which is where many of your visitors are browsing from. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Online Store. Click that. This will open up a list of your themes, and the one at the very top will be your current live theme. Next to that active theme, look for the option to edit it, usually called Customize or Edit Theme, and click it to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, we want to make sure we're working in mobile view, so we can see exactly how the changes will look on a phone. At the top right of the editor, you'll see device icons, including one that looks like a mobile phone. Click the phone icon. The preview area on the right will now switch to show your store as it appears on mobile. Now, let's access the place where we'll add our custom code. On the far left side of the editor, find the gear icon near the top. This represents your theme settings. Click that icon to open the theme settings panel. Scroll down through these settings until you find an option called Custom CSS. Click on Custom CSS and it will expand to reveal a text box where you can paste code. In this Custom CSS text box, paste the exact code shown in the original tutorial. If you need more time to see the code clearly, you can pause the video and carefully copy it over, making sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. This custom CSS is what tells your theme to center align those section headings specifically on mobile. Once the code is in place, look back at the preview on the right. You should now see that your section headings, such as featured collection and quick links, are all centered in the mobile layout. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This will apply your changes to the live store so your visitors will see the updated centered headings on their mobile devices.